Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM workflow rules step by step clearly. To activate Zoho CRM workflow rules, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the setup icon located in the top right corner. In the setup menu, find the automation section. Click on workflow rules to proceed. You will see a list of existing workflow rules. To activate a rule, locate the rule you want to modify. Click on the rule name to open its details. In the Details view, look for the Status option. If the rule is currently inactive, you will see an inactive label. Click the Activate button next to the status label. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. Review the information provided in the dialog. Once you confirm that the details are correct, click Yes to activate the rule. The status should now change to active. You can repeat these steps for any other workflow rules you wish to activate. To test the activated rule, go back to the main screen of your CRM. Trigger the workflow condition manually or wait for it to activate automatically. Monitor the performance to ensure everything works as expected. And that's it. You have now activated your Zoho CRM workflow rules successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.